Hello, Mom and Sir. I'm Cheryl Lopez Agustin. I'm 43 years old. I live in Recate Sur de Quirino. I have three children. Their age is 21, 14, and 11. I have experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong since 2016 until 2025. I take care a newborn baby until she's 8 years old, and the other one is 2 years old until 11 years old. And I do some household works also like ironing, cleaning the house, and car washing. And I know also how to cook some simple dishes. Thank you, and God bless us all, Mom and Sir.